Respected Principal, Government Higher Secondary School Jhulass, staff members, and my dear students, good morning to all. Dear students, I know you are students of determination and resilience. I stand before you today not just as a speaker but as a fellow traveler on the challenging journey of education. As you face the impending storm of exams, I want to remind each and every one of you that you are capable of weathering this storm and emerging stronger on the other side. Exams are not just a test of your knowledge, they are testament to your dedication, hard work, and perseverance. In these moments of pressure, it is crucial to remember that success is not defined by a single exam or a grade on a paper. Success is a journey, a culmination of continuous effort and the lessons learned along the way. I know the road may seem daunting and the path may be filled with obstacles, but let me assure you that you have the power within you to overcome every challenge that comes your way. Believe in yourself and your abilities. You have put in the hours of study, the late nights, and the sacrifice, and now it is time to trust on your preparations. Remember, it is okay to be nervous. It is okay to feel the pressure. There are signs that you care about your future and your education. Channel that energy into positive action. Take a deep breath. Focus on the task at hand and tackle each question with the confidence that you have got this. In times of doubt, think about the reasons why you started this journey in the first place. Envision the dreams of the goal that inspired you to pursue education. Use that vision as fuel to propel you forward. Even when the road gets tough, your dreams are worth the effort, and every step you take towards them is a victory in itself. Remember, failure is not the end, it is stepping stone to success. Each challenge, each setback is an opportunity to learn, grow, and become stronger version of yourself. Embrace the process and don't let fear paralyze you. Use it as a motivator to push yourself beyond your perceived limits. Go out there and conquer those exams. Before me, Rajni ma'am was talking to you and she made a special reference. She was studying in high school Khanetar, and at that time when she was studying there was no Hindi teacher. Even then, she challenged the challenge and opted for Hindi. And during the exam, she proved her caliber. When she took her exam in Chandak cluster, at that time she was the only student in the cluster who was taking Hindi exam, and she proved she can do. She did her best during the exam and she scored good marks. Same is the case with you. Most of you are at present feeling uncomfortable in some subjects because of non-availability of teachers or resource persons of those subjects. But rest assured, at present, there are many other sources other than teachers that can provide you contents, knowledge, and that can ensure your success in your future. That is digital platforms. So use digital platforms too, like Diksha, Swayamprabha, NROER, National Repository for Open Educational Resources, Khan Academy, Unacademy. All these digital platforms can support you a lot. Thank you. Have a nice day. Tomorrow we shall once again meet in the morning assembly with new topic.